In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group Smartsheet rows. Whether you're managing projects, organizing data, or simply trying to keep everything neat and tidy, knowing how to group rows can be a real game changer. So, let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, navigate your way to the Smartsheet workspace or home. Think of this as your starting point, kind of like the hub of all your projects and sheets. Here, you'll have access to all your active sheets, setting you up to shape them just as you need. Once you're comfortably situated in your workspace, go ahead and open the specific sheet that you're planning to work on. It's essential to double-check that you've got the correct sheet, especially if you happen to be juggling multiple projects. With your chosen sheet open in front of you, identify and select the rows that you are eager to group together. It may be helpful to pinpoint which rows are related or should be grouped to streamline your workflow. When you click on the rows, you'll notice they become highlighted, a visual cue indicating they're prepped and ready for the next move. Now, let's zoom in on the process of grouping these rows. In the toolbar, you'll spot an indent button, usually marked by an arrow pointing to the right. By clicking this button, you'll automatically group your selected rows, creating a structured hierarchy. This simple indentation isn't just for looks. It's a vital way to organize your data, instantly adding clarity and order. But maybe you're the type who prefers using a right click. If that's the case, Smartsheet offers a straightforward alternative. Just right-click on the selected rows and pick the Indent Row option from the menu that appears. This approach achieves exactly what the toolbar button does, offering flexibility based on what you find most convenient. By using these indent methods, you'll establish what's known as a parent-child structure. The first, or top, row you select evolves into the parent row. Think of it as a main category or a header for subsequent rows. The other rows you've indented become the children, being nestled under the parent row, which signifies their relevance or dependency. Smartsheet provides an intuitive way to handle these groups through an added triangle beside the parent row. With a simple click on this small but efficient tool, you can either collapse or expand your groups, just as you need. Collapsing the group neatly tucks away the children rows, giving your sheet a clean, streamlined look. On the flip side, expanding it allows you to plunge into all related details whenever necessary. This method is incredibly effective for organizing tasks, subtasks, or any intertwined entries. Structuring your sheets this way not only boosts their readability, but also significantly enhances your ability to manage and swiftly interpret data. Remember, the key is to build a system that best suits your needs, whether that's organizing by project phase, team responsibilities, or any category that speaks to your work. With this new skill in your Smartsheet toolkit, you're poised to elevate your organizational prowess to the next level.